From the ashes we rise, blueprint in hand, streets to the Senate, we take the stand. Hammer and soul with the Constitution's gauge, we lay new bricks like a civic sage. Raised on hope, fed truth from the wise, now we craft futures from the nation's cries. Ain't just bars, it's a duty I wage. In every line, I turn the page. Old flags wave, but our minds renew. History's echo, but the steps are true. We the builders, no cap, no cage. Red, white, blue, in every stage. Steel in my speech, grit in my age. With justice inked on every page. Don't just talk, grab tools, engage. Rebuild in America is the new age. Lay the beams, plant the seeds. Truth in action, not in pleas. From pain to pride, we turn the page. Rebuild in America is the new age. Rise with hands that shape the fight. March with minds that spark the light. From scroll to street, we set the stage. Rebuild in America is the new age. My metaphors move like liberty's flame. Burn through lies, ignite the name. This ain't just rap, it's civic code. Each beat a nail in the people's road. We build on laws, not digital trends. Justice, don't stream, it mends. Dr. King dreams in the steel we lift. Every voice matters, that's the gift. The blueprint's real, it's not pretend. Each youth I teach is a civic friend. We plant resolve in every age. Freedom